race? Well, where are the racers?
Well, today we're having a yeast race.
Oh boy, a yeast race! But I still don't see the racers.
Well, that's because yeast is super small. They're like really tiny racers that we can't even see.
Wait a minute. If yeast is too tiny to see, how can we watch a race?
Now that is a great question, Stryder. Now, one super tiny yeast is really hard to see. But this is lots and lots and lots and lots of yeast all clumped together.
Oh, so it's like one cookie crumb is hard to see.
And a pile of cookie crumbs are easy to see.
I get it, I get it, I get it. But what if I just wanted to see one yeast?
Well, then you would need a special tool called a microscope. Microbiologists are scientists that study tiny living things, and they use microscopes to study yeast all of the time.
That's so cool, but how are we going to see them race if we can't see any tiny legs?
Well, we don't need to see tiny legs to watch this race. Let me ask you a question. Do you like sugar, Stryder?
Oh boy, do I! All of the most yummy things have sugar, like cookies and chocolate and cake and ice cream and lollipops.
Okay. So yes, you like sugar. How about you, little scientists? Do you like sugar? I knew you did. So just like you all like to eat sugar, yeast likes to eat sugar too.
Wait, yeast eats sugar?
Mm-hmm.
So when it eats, does it fart like me?
Exactly, Stryder. When yeast eats sugar, it makes gas, kind of like a little yeast fart. And that gas will flow up and into balloons. And so that's how we'll watch our yeast race. Whoever has the biggest balloon in the end wins.
Yeast farts make balloons grow? That's the best race ever!
Okay, so first, we're gonna add our yeast. And next, we're going to add our sugar. So for this one, we're going to add 2 teaspoons. For this one, we're going to add 1 teaspoon. And I don't think we want to add any to that one. What do you think, Stryder?
I think that's a good idea.
Okay. And finally, we're going to use some nice warm water to wake the yeast up. Okay, now we're ready for our balloon race. It's time to meet our racers. First up, we have, drumroll please, Sir Puffalot.
Sir Puffalot, I hope he farts fast.
Next up, we have Princess Bubbleboo.
Princess Bubbleboo, I hope she blows everyone away.
And finally, we have Captain Gigglefart.
Captain Gigglefart, that's my favorite. I hope he wins.
Ready, set, go! Look closely, little scientists. The gas from the yeast is making the balloons rise, just like a little race car engine pushing them forward.
Captain Gigglefart is stretching, but Bubbleboo's catching up, and Sir Puffalot is not really puffing a lot. Captain Gigglefart wins!
We did it! We just watched these tiny yeast eat sugar, make gas, and blow balloons up all at once.
Tiny yeast are the fastest racers ever!
They really are! And that's why microbiologists love studying yeast. They can watch these tiny things do amazing stuff every day. I had so much fun learning about microbiology with you today. If you want to go on more scientific adventures with us, please subscribe to the channel or go on Amazon and check out our newest book, Stryder the Spider Explores the Moon. Goodbye, little microbiologists.